2012 Forte Coupe. The world has never quite seen anything like this. A unique combination of class-leading standard horsepower, fuel efficiency, and advanced standard features. The Kia Forte Coupe, the first of its kind, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD, passenger airbag, CD player, MP3 player, trip computer. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.